guys, welcome back to another video. Damien here, and I've got a Limitless360 level 6 video for you, and it's all about executive communication. A gun that can be shot by the recipient immediately with no questions. So a gun that can be shot by the recipient immediately with no questions. Cheers, Mark, for your drawing. I hope you can see that. So think of this, basically there's you with the gun, there's the table, and there's the recipient. You're gonna trundle over here, you're gonna put the gun on the table, and the recipient's gonna pick it up, bang, shots fired, he's gonna score, he's gonna make money, he's going to hit his goals, he's gonna develop, he's going to improve. This is not what's gonna happen. The gun goes on the table, he doesn't come across and go, or what about this? Or what if Susan doesn't have the password for this? What if Greg's not there? It's a kerfuffle, the communication, it doesn't need to be like that. You can have clear executive communication, and that's what this is all about. That's what this video is about. So get your thinking caps on, get your notepad, and let's get into it. Rightio, as I've just said, communication should be like a gun. There are layers of communication that you can have with people. So here are some excerpts that I got from the training. Here's the junk number one statement. Can I get leaderboard stats? So for me, when I look at that, it's pretty plain and boring. There's no urgency behind it. There's not much behind that statement at all. You can't really determine anything from it. So here's a little bit better junk. Can I see the leaderboard by 3 p.m? So this time you've given them a time to get back to, so it's a little bit more clear, and you've given them a bit of urgency behind getting the email done, but not much more. This one's better, but still remains junk. Can I get the leaderboard by 3 p.m. so I can get info out to the affiliates? So you've added a little bit more of a layer on top of this one. You've added a little bit of a why to it. So you've added why you need this information, because the affiliates are going to need it. And even better, but it's still a junk fest, this one. Can I get the leaderboard by 3 p.m. so I can get the info out to the affiliates? Because we have a competition brewing and it creates a lot more sales. So again, you've expanded, you've added a little bit more layer, you've added a little bit more to the why, and you've also put a because, and then you can add because of the reason why you need it. And then the next layer, that's all about executive comms, but I'm going to leave that for Mark to give that to you, and for you guys to jump into the training, because I want you guys to take action, because you're gonna feel great, you're gonna have a lot of fun. So I'll leave that part for you to go and watch, or if you haven't joined up, hurry up and join up so you can watch it and get into the training. But I'll take away a review of the last layer for you guys. So basically there were 3 points that he left us with, and that's start with appreciation. So let them know that you appreciate the work that they're doing for you and the support that they're giving you, because they're helping you get your job done. Put a little bit of context into it. So give them a bit of an understanding of what's going on, what's happening, what's the bigger picture. As human beings, we're inquisitive and we always like to know why. So think back to when you were a kid, or just even now probably. If someone asks you to do something, you generally, the first thing that pops up in your mind is you go, why do you want me to do that? And if we explain that and we give them the why, then we're cutting out that extra question or that thought that stops them from actually just taking the action. We're eliminating that, and we're giving ourselves more time. Number 3, the why is important. So again, why, just backing up what I just said, giving them the information about why they're doing. So it's like what they're doing, how they're doing, and why they're doing it. Let them understand the bigger picture and how they fit into the process. We all like to feel like we belong as humans. And 4th point is lead forward, give directions, steps, and instructions. So Don't just tell someone to do something and then leave it at that. Give them steps and a laid out plan so they can follow that and execute it and action those steps so that they can achieve the goal that you set them out to do. You know, give them the information that they need to get the job done. So in wrapping up, as you can see, executive communication, it's all about, it's executive. It gets it done there and then. No more questions. There's no fluff. You've answered them all in the way that you've written out the email. That's why I want you to go into the training and have a look at that layer number 4, because in that's where Mark's going to show you. He's going to pull apart why he words things the way he does, and it'll show you how to word an email or communicate with someone so you can save time and get the job done just quickly. All right, cool. So if you haven't already, click on the link below where it says register so you can get registered to start the free online games. You can get straight into Asia's Mindset 360 training so you can level up and get stuck into the Limitless 360 games and continue to level up. If you've been looking at my other videos or watching out, you'll see that we're doing 1 video a day for 100 days. That's an awesome challenge that Vince did around 7 years back and it blew up, absolutely blew up. So we're doing that challenge now. You get $100 if you don't make a sale in that 100 days. So you've got to post a video every day. If you want to do that challenge, you've got to be an apprentice level. So you have to upgrade to get into that challenge. Heaps of people are jumping on board. Everyone's crushing it who's started it. It's only day 3. And people that have never been on camera before are also jumping on camera and, you know, growing and learning and growing their businesses, any businesses from painting to, you know, it could be network marketing. There's PTs in there, you know, people without even a job, people just starting a business, you know, or people just wanting to generate income. It's for anyone, personal development. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on because I'm trying to cut these videos a little bit shorter these days. But you can see I'm just excited about it. You know, I just want people to get on and start learning and growing because I know it can help you out there. So check the links out below, reach out to me on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram, Damien__Hinkley, and I'll see you in the next vid. Read your dig.